what's up? I'm Hobo Steve, and I'm gonna teach you about stuff to put in your big fat stupid face. Hey, I like food! Oh really? I like food too. Do you like food? Okay, let's make some food. Okay, so the first ingredient is peanut butter, man. And the next ingredient. Okay, now we have enough ingredients to start something here. So yeah, man, I'm gonna start out by opening up the bread. Here we go. And you're gonna wanna go ahead and rip it open with your fingers, cause this is the way bums do it. Looks pretty awesome, if you ask me. Okay, man, so I know what you're thinking. Peanut butter can's pretty easy to open, right? Well, we don't have can openers here, so we're gonna go ahead and have to figure out a different way. So yeah, man, you first gotta grab it, real firm like. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the peanut butter! Oh hey, looks like we got it open! Okay man, so as you probably figured out, I don't have a butter knife. I'm not a rich hobo, but I do have my God-given tools called my hobo mitts. Okay, so let's go ahead and get going with that. Okay, here we go. Alright, so go ahead and just spread it on. Okay, just spread around your bread. You know, if it turns into a ball mass, what's important is nutrients, man. Don't want to get any plastic in there, though. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do what I normally do, which is go ahead and form a big ball. I gotta adjust my beard. Okay, so you're probably wondering what the next ingredient is. Well, it's jelly beans. Duh. And I just so happen to have jelly beans right here. Awesome, right? I love breaking into people's houses. Okay, so go ahead and dump them jelly beans out all over your sweet and tasty, delicious treat. Push it down good and hard so it compacts into the peanut butter. Gonna go ahead and press it now. Yeah, squeeze it! Squeeze! Oh yeah! Oh man! This looks pretty freaking delectable, right? Clear! 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 Alright, join us next time when we teach you how to make soup!
Onision. I love chocolate milk. Chocolate love.